get in here. And with my blog. Well, this is kind of a carry on to the grill. And I have been putting a tarp over it. Which the wind blows and blows it out of there. So the other day we went to, it's getting ready to rain. Oh, just in time. You see the rain bank over there? It's coming. We can see it. And I'm feeling a little sprinkle now. So put the tarp on it, and it kept blowing off. So we went to Big Lots and found Mr. Barbecue tarp, and this one is 42 high by 21 wide and 68 in length. And this one was only $16. They do make another one, and it's $30. And the thing we found is basically it's got a little thicker, maybe a thicker base on it. So let's see, or maybe thicker, thicker insulation. But I really don't think we really need all of that. So let's see if this puppy fits.
Look, I'm so excited.
About?
Look.
Oh, Bethlehem.
Feel that. Mom.
Okay, I feel it.
It was in my tub.
See, the wipe out of bathtub.
Mom.
Man. So I don't have to do the bottom of the tub.
No, so I don't have to sit on a crappy bottom of the tub.
Okay, that'll work too.
Mom. Oh, look. See, I knew it would fit.
Look at that. It's just right, doesn't it? That's the medium. That
No,
wasn't
I knew it was a large.
This the large and the medium. This was the. Doesn't really say on these. It says heavy duty vinyl. Breaks dirt, dust, pollen, sap. Guards against all types of weather. We'll see how long that lasts. But it's a 42 high, 21 wide, and 68 in length. And that's perfect.
Leave it alone. I just fixed
Or
it.
maybe it'll go just a little bit wider.
You just fixed it. Leave it.
Okay. And on the end, you got the Velcro.
Oh yeah, close that shit up, would you?
Velcro tabs here. Really does
Go back inside. See ya.
exactly what that's doing. Love you.
You too.
Hold it together. I don't know if it's too bad there wasn't one under the bottom. But it's good height. Just exposes the wheels, the bottom of it. So Velcro's on the end, but I would like it to Velcro under the bottom, or at least have a tab or something under the bottom. I guess it won't pull up because of the Velcro ends, but anyway, there she sits. Might be able to get some clips, get some of those paper clip things, put them on the bottom, and then pull it under. That'll keep it secure in the middle and the bottom. Other than that, I think it's going to be a good mate. And again, it's a height on that. Your height is 42. It could be just a little bit lower, but for $16, and the next one up is like $30. I think that's gonna work for now. And here comes the rain, just in freaking time, huh? All right, now I gotta get the tractor. I gotta get the tractor in the garage so I can get the mower on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Catch me on the next Around the House.